Hi friends, how are you all? I'm back again. Today we are going to discuss about a complex SQL query to build the previous the data persistency, basically, like for example for the given whole year, how the data is spreading, and how we need to check it, for example, like starting from January, February, March, April, throughout the year, December. So how persistently mm, the coverage is taken care against the parent company and the metrics information. Okay, if there is any gap, that will be filled as 0, otherwise it will be covered as 1. So that is what how we are going to achieve it. So I'm using a complex with class here. If you see here, so here if you see the calculation result, the first section of the query, it will get for the given year, for 12 months, it will get the results. Okay, so this one, and the second query, basically I'm using a data list for the cross join, because when I say the reporting period of data, in this case only 9 months only the data has been reported for the coverage, whereas we need to check for the data persistency across the year, throughout the year, correct? So for that reason only I am building a calendar period. Once the calendar period is built, and the second thing is I am putting a cross join. This cross join helps from the actual table with the calendar result, so to get whether the reporting period data is there or not, it will bring all the data sets for the 12 months. For example, in this case we have only 9 months of data, but we need a 12 months data. Wherever the gap is there, that will be handled by this cross join. Okay, that is what this data list section will be taken care of. So, and the third section, the data as the third section, the data list, actually here from the actual table I am bringing the 9 records, 9 for this calendar year, for this particular given example, for the parent company and the metric information, you could see uh, only 9 records. Okay, so that is what we are bringing in with the aggregation to get the previous period report. Like from the current period report, we can get the same row, we can get the previous record using this analytical function called lag. Okay, so when you want to use the lag, so you can use the windowing property using over partition by, and this is the order class I'm using here, so that in the same record you will see current reporting period as well as the previous report period in the same result set. And finally the result here, you see here, this result set, to indicate from the data list I am putting a cross join with the actual data result. You see here, from this result to data list, I'm just putting a left outer join. So this indicates that this data list is nothing but the complete calendar year information, whereas this data results only holds the reporting period information. So by joining that, I'm using a left outer join, so that nothing matched or non-matched, everything will be bring into picture. So after getting this result, finally I am running the with class of the result set. Okay, so when I run this is the final result, you'll be getting it. So from here you see all the 12 records for the calendar period information. Wherever the gap is there with the reporting period, it will be covered. So see here, this reporting period, so 2023 Jan, Feb, March is there, but for nothing is reported. But May, June, July, August, September it's reported, but whereas October, November nothing reported. And from the current record, the previous record, using the lag function, as I told before, so it is taken care null. This is for clarity, you can and easy readability, you can understand how it's look like. And finally the calendar page is the consistently you will get, that is what I told you, using this this section of query it help to bring the calendar information. And finally, this case statement helps you to get the persistency after getting the final result, whether the reporting period is missing, it will it will say as 0, otherwise it is reported. Okay, so that's how. So thanks for watching my video. For any queries, please reach me back. Thank you. Bye.